Hi everyone. I am here with another Accenture coding question. So this question was given in 2/11/23. That means 2nd November. In one slot this question was given. Let us go through the question. Janardhan wrote a sequence of words in camel case into a string yes. So Janardhan wrote a sequence of words in camel case. So what is meant by camel case? Camel case is very much followed in Java. Those who are familiar with Java, they can understand this. So the first letter in that word starts with lowercase. For example, calculate sum. The first letter starts with lowercase, and when there is a separation or when we encounter with a new word, to join that new word to the existing one, instead of giving space or hyphen or underscore, we will start with uppercase letter like this. Calculate sum. So this will differentiate between the words. Okay, so now we can understand calculate is one word, sum is another word. This is nothing but camel case. The first word starts with lowercase letter, and when we encounter with a new word, to join that new word to the existing word, we will start that new word with uppercase letter. That clearly indicates that that is another word joined to the existing one. So here we are not using any space, underscore or hyphen to join the words. So that is the speciality of this camel case. Into a string, yes. Okay. Yes has the following properties. So what are they saying? He wrote a sequence of words in camel case. That means the first word will start with lowercase, remaining words will start with uppercase. That can be understood in a straightforward way. Additionally, they have given some description for that. Yes is a concatenation of one or two words where each word is composed of English letters. So there will be only English alphabet. Okay, no other characters will be there. Okay, all the letters of first word are in lowercase. This is the very nature of camel case. From second word onwards, the first letter of the word is in uppercase and remaining letters are in lowercase. This is also the nature of camel case. Okay, so what is that additional description they have given it? The words are composed of only English letters. No other characters will be there. Given yes, print the words in yes in a new line after converting uppercase letters to lowercase and vice versa. That means if the letters are in lowercase, they are to be converted to uppercase. If they are in uppercase, they are to be converted to lowercase. We call this like toggle case or swap case. Okay, given yes, print the words. So what is the traditional constraint given? We have to print the words where each word should appear in new line. Okay. Next, let us quickly jump into this sample input and output. If sample input is given in camel case, like 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 words. These are joined together into a single string. This is called camel case. The first word is starting with 0. Sorry, the first word is starting with small o. Second word is starting with capital T. Third word T. Fourth word capital F. Okay, when there is a separation of words or when there is a new word joining the existing one, we will start that with uppercase letter. So this is the input given. What is the output expected? They are asking us to separate these words given in camel case and write them in separate lines. And also additional constraint is swap the cases. That means one here is appearing in lowercase, that is to be converted to uppercase. 2, T is in uppercase, WO in lowercase, that is to be swapped. 3 to be swapped, 4 to be swapped. That should be produced as output. Next, another thing is read input from stdin. That means standard input. We have to read input from keyboard and write output onto the screen. This is one additional constraint given. Here they have also given like the size of the string varies from 1 to 10 power 5 size of the string. Okay, 10 power 5 is nothing but 1 lakh. The length of the string can extend up to 1 lakh. Okay, now how to write solution for this? I think you understood the problem. Very simple. The input is given in camel case. What is camel case? The first word starts with lowercase letter, and when we have to join a new word to the existing one, that starts with uppercase letter, and so on. So based on this uppercase criteria, we have to separate the words, and then we have to print them in separate lines by toggling their case. Okay, this is the problem. Now let us write solution for this one. I am taking one online compiler. This solution can be written in two ways. First, I will explain method 1. Method 1. According to this method, I will loop through the string, and whenever there is an uppercase letter found, I will add one additional space that will help me to split the string further. Okay, so after splitting, I will be applying the swap case method and I can do the job. Okay, let us see this one. So for the sake of simplicity, I am considering S is 1, 2, sorry, they have asked us to take input from the standard input device, right? Let me take this input. Okay, I thought to initialize the string, but let me take input. Why? Because they have particularly told like read input from standard input device. Okay. Next, let me consider one result string which is initialized to empty string, and then loop through this one for I in S. Loop through S. If I dot is upper, if I dot is upper, then what is to be done? If it is an uppercase letter, we have to add one additional space. RES equal to RES plus one space. Otherwise, in any case, if it is upper or lower, that is to be added to the result. Okay, so this is the care I will take. Then if you have any doubt, we can print this RES and then see. First, let me run this code. Let me give the input like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got the result correctly. That means we are successfully separating them into different words. That is done. This is first step. Next step. Now I will split this string into words. Let me take L equal to RES dot split. Now you can print this L and C. Now they will be in list form. 1, let me give the input as 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, they are into list form. Now what I will do is, with the help of list comprehension, I will convert them into I will make this swap case on them. Okay, I dot, or else let me take a meaningful name for this, word dot swap case for word in L. For each word in L, perform this swap case. What does this swap case do? This is a built-in method in Python strings. What it will do is, it will toggle the cases. That means if it is uppercase, convert it to lowercase. If it is lowercase, convert it to uppercase. Now L is ready. What we have to do? We have to print them in separate lines. No? What is the trick I will apply here is, I will join all these words by backslash n. Backslash n is new line. Dot join L. That's all. Now let us print this one. Let me give the input as 1, 2, 3, 4. You see what is the output I have got? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the expected output from the program. The time complexity of this code is big O of n. Okay. So even if they give larger input 10 power 5, for this problem we cannot optimize, and it is like big O of n. We have to pass through each and every character to decide whether it is uppercase or lowercase. So there is no other go, the time complexity is big O of n. Okay. Now let me explain method 2. Method 2, let me remove all these things. Suppose if you want this code, you can pause the video and you can take screenshot of it. Okay. Let me work with another approach. Here I will be using ReModule. What is this ReModule? Regular expression module. Import RE. What I will do is, I will give one generic formula to separate the words based on uppercase letters. Okay. So this will be like L equal to RE dot find all. Find all. Let me consider that start with uppercase letters. I have to separate the words based on this uppercase character. No, let me give like this, comma, yes. Now let me print what will be there in L. Then I will come back and I will discuss. Let me give the input as 1, 2, 3, 4. Error, string S is not defined. Yeah, this is capital S actually. Okay, let me run this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will happen? You see, TTF. What does what this find all method is doing? So it is only extracting the uppercase letters. Why? Because I have asked it to find all the uppercase letters. So in this given string only 3 uppercase letters are there. So this is not my intention to do. What I need to do is, they have to start with uppercase letter and later on continue with lowercase letters. To mention that, what we can do is not A to Z. A to Z, and there will be many lowercase letters followed by. So that's why I am giving star. That means asterisk here. Now let us see what will happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see what happened? It has missed 1 and the remaining 3 words are correctly captured. Okay. Now to include this one also, what I can do is, I will mention it here like the first one starts with lowercase letter. I can do like this. Now let us see what will happen. Run. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, it has correctly captured all the words. So this is how we can tweak the regular expressions. Okay. Now we have got everything with us. What I have to do? Now I will be joining \n. Sorry, we have to swap the cases, no? Then I will take L equal to, I will be using this list comprehension, word dot swap case for word in L. Now a new list L will replace the old list L, and this will be dynamically generated. That means capital letters will be converted to small, small to capital letter. Now if you have any doubt, you can print and see here. Print L. Let me give 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, it has come correctly. Now we have to join them and display them in line by line. Okay. So for that one, what we need to do, like I have explained in method 1, \n dot join L. That's all. Okay. Run. Let me give the same input. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see how wonderfully we got the output. So this is method 2. So this also consumes big O of n time complexity. Both the methods will consume the same time complexity, but if you get familiarity over this RE, you can use this RE module in many places. Wherever you work with strings, wherever it is possible, you can use this one and you can write efficient code. Okay. So both the methods consume big O of n time complexity, big O of n space complexity. So which method you liked? This RE method or our conventional method? So you please give your answer in comment section. I hope you liked the video. If you have like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.